Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a review of Lotus Herbal Home Facial Kit. So this is white peony and argan oil, and they have given this huge package which contains 4 little containers, tiny one like this, and which is neatly packed. I love their packaging, and it has 4 to 5 products inside, which is 4 tubes, which I will be explaining soon, and 1 sachet. And the first one is cleansing. So the cleansing gel was really like aqua based, and it was so smooth, soft on my skin. Since this cleansing gel is aqua based, it helps to remove all the oil impurities and even makeup very easily, and you can just wipe it off with a cotton towel, or just wash your face. I'm using a wet tissue in this case. Once this step is over, we will move on to the next step, which is detan polisher. It is actually a scrub. It has the exfoliating properties. It has that scrub material which actually removes the dead cells and all the impurities in the pores, and it just helps to remove all those clogged pores, and cleanses your face, removes all blackheads, whiteheads, and give you a finished like a smooth finish and a detan finish as well. So you need to circulate and massage in your face for 3 to 4 minutes. So once you're done with that, just cleanse your face as you did before. Now comes the third step. It is deep cell activating serum. So this serum is actually unique mix because it is gel based and it has oil in it. So what it does is it penetrates deep into your skin and works on dark spots. As you can see, it's aqua based, which is oil plus serum. It works on dark spots, and it gives you like a translucent result. So it actually goes into the skin and works on those blemishes. It's very important to massage this product into your face for at least 2 to 3 minutes. So the next step that you do, you should not wipe your face. Like, don't wipe your face, just go for the fourth step directly after this. So this step is more about massaging your skin with all the goodness in the product. Actually, it smoothens the skin and help carry the natural actives deep inside the epidermal layer, and it provides even tone and lighter complexion in your skin. So when you do this massage for almost like 10 to 15 minutes in circular motion and towards upwards of your skin, in your cheek area, chin area, and even on your forehead, and improves blood circulation in your face, and also lymphatic drainage of your skin. It actually makes your skin feel much better, and it's more about massaging and relaxing in this process. So take a good 10 to 15 minutes in massaging your skin, circular motion and upwards motion. Finally, let's move on to the final step of this home facial kit, which is algae peel off mask. This was my favorite part to do because also I struggled opening the packet, so don't try this at home. So you need to mix this packet into 45 to 50 ml of water and mix it with your hand or with a spoon. I had this wooden spoon, so actually I used it to mix. I think in my case water was little too much, so it became little like a paste, but it has to get hard because end of the day it does the work of a peel off mask. So this was very satisfying, and this peel off mask is to reset those tired skin, dull looking face. Okay, and it also reduces the puffiness under eyes and puffiness in your eye area and everything on your face. Like all the puffiness on your face will be removed, and it leaves your skin perfectly moistured. Like, I literally love the end result, as you will see. Don't get scared of me, I was just trying to be funny. Now you need to keep this for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I was just passing time by doing all the goshtis and all that. Also, I will show you my view. This is my balcony view. The weather was so gloomy and nice. Also, we have a cute garden in the balcony. So it's more like green and nice feel in the balcony. And of course me, I was chilling. And now let us let this peel to dry off for 15 to 20 minutes. And yes, this is now when it is dry. It's trying to peel it off. As actually I was very excited to do this, and as you can see the result so satisfying. You should actually try this facial kit at least to do this peeling off thing. I was literally taking my own sweet time to do this. But yeah, the end result was literally amazing. As you can see, after I washed my face, my skin was literally shining and my pores were so clear. I got rid of my whiteheads, blackheads around my nose and cheeks and all that acne area. Even the redness had reduced, and those pimples which were about to like burst, they were also almost gone. So I was very happy with the result. I feel much better and a lot more fresh right now. And I think to get the best results, you need to keep doing it monthly twice. And yeah, it really feels smooth in my skin. And the peeling part was the most satisfying part. Yeah, I loved it. I feel so good in my skin. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment below. Also, subscribe to my channel Sushma Nair Vlogs and tap that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So until next time, I'll see you in another video. Bye.